Budget graphics cards deliver strong performance for gaming and creative tasks, offering great value, efficiency, and accessibility without high-end costs. My today's video is about top 5 best budget graphics cards that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Asus Dual GeForce RTX 5060 graphics card. This graphics card stands out as a powerful yet compact solution, especially for users seeking cutting-edge AI and gaming performance. Delivering an impressive 767 AI TOPS, it handles AI-driven workloads and modern creative tasks with remarkable efficiency. Built on the advanced NVIDIA Blackwell architecture, it fully leverages DLSS 4 to boost frame rates while maintaining excellent visual fidelity, making it highly future-ready. The OC mode clock speed of 2632 MHz ensures strong performance headroom, while the default 2602 MHz already offers stable and consistent output for demanding applications. Its SFF-ready design is a major advantage, fitting easily into compact builds without compromising power. Cooling is another highlight. The AxialTech fan design, with its smaller hub and extended blades, improves airflow and increases downward air pressure, resulting in better thermal management and quieter operation. Overall, it's a well-balanced GPU that combines performance, efficiency, and smart engineering for enthusiasts on modern workloads. Now our second product is Gigabyte GeForce RTX 5060 OC8G graphics card. The GeForce RTX 5060 delivers an impressive balance of next-gen performance and efficiency, making it a strong contender for modern gamers and creators. Built on the advanced NVIDIA Blackwell architecture, it brings enhanced rendering capabilities and fully supports DLSS 4, allowing smoother gameplay with AI-powered frame generation and sharper visuals. Equipped with 8GB of GDDR7 memory on a 128-bit interface, the card ensures fast data transfer and reliable performance in 1080p and even 1440p gaming scenarios. The inclusion of PCIe 5.0 support future-proofs the GPU, offering higher bandwidth for upcoming systems. Thermal performance is handled by the WindForce cooling system, which maintains optimal temperatures under load while keeping noise levels low. This makes it suitable for long gaming sessions or intensive creative tasks. Overall, the RTX 5060 stands out as a forward-looking GPU with strong performance, efficient cooling, and modern features tailored for demanding users. Our third product is Piney NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 EPIC-X RGB graphics card powered by advanced AI-driven innovation. Modern NVIDIA GeForce RTX GPUs redefine both gaming and creative performance. At the core is DLSS, a groundbreaking neural rendering technology that intelligently boosts FPS, reduces latency, and sharpens image quality, delivering smoother and more immersive gameplay without sacrificing visuals. The inclusion of 5th-generation tensor cores, new streaming multiprocessors, and 4th-generation ray tracing cores ensures exceptional processing power. These upgrades significantly enhance real-time ray tracing in AI workloads, making demanding titles and applications run more efficiently. For competitive gamers, NVIDIA Reflex plays a crucial role by optimizing the graphics pipeline. The result is lower system latency, faster response times, and improved aiming precision, key advantages in fast-paced environments. Beyond gaming, RTX GPUs excel in creative and professional workflows. With support from NVIDIA Studio drivers and AI-accelerated tools, users benefit from stable performance and faster rendering in top creative applications. Overall, this ecosystem delivers a powerful, future-ready experience for gaming, productivity, and development. Now number 4, Ashrock Radeon RX 9070 XT 16GB OC graphics card. Built on the cutting-edge AMD RDNA 4 architecture, this GPU delivers a major leap in gaming realism and AI-assisted performance. With 64 compute units, 3rd-gen ray tracing, and 2nd-gen AI accelerators, it handles modern titles with impressive visual fidelity and efficiency. Performance is a standout, reaching boost clocks up to 2970 MHz, paired with 16GB GDDR6 on a 256-bit bus. This combination ensures smooth 4K gaming and seamless content creation, even under demanding workloads. The PCIe 5.0 support further enhances bandwidth, making it ready for next-generation systems. Thermals are expertly managed by a triple fan setup with striped axial fan technology and 0 dB silent mode, keeping temperatures low while maintaining quiet operation. Connectivity is equally strong, offering DisplayPort 2.1a and HDMI 2.1b for high refresh 4K displays. Aesthetic and durability touches, like the metal backplate and user-controlled LED lighting, round out a premium, well-balanced graphics card built for enthusiasts. And our last choice is MSI Gaming RTX 5060 Ti Ventus 3 XOC graphics card built on the advanced NVIDIA Blackwell architecture. This GPU delivers impressive next-gen performance with full support for DLSS 4, enhancing frame rates and visual clarity through AI-powered rendering. It's designed to handle modern gaming and creative workloads with efficiency and consistency. Cooling is a major strength here. The TORX Fan 5.0 design uses interconnected fan blades with ring arcs to stabilize airflow and generate higher pressure, ensuring better heat dissipation. A solid baseplate efficiently pulls heat away from the GPU and distributes it across multiple heat pipes, which are engineered for rapid thermal transfer. The inclusion of a sturdy metal backplate not only reinforces the card's durability but also features airflow vents to further reduce heat buildup. Together, these cooling enhancements keep temperatures under control even during extended, high-performance sessions. Overall, this graphics card combines powerful architecture with a robust thermal system, making it a reliable choice for demanding users. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.